Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a red iguana unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So let's get started with this video. So I ordered a nail practice hand, and excuse my nails, they're not did. I've just been practicing and stuff like that, so yeah. But I ordered this nail practice hand, I want to say last week. I was at work and a thought just came across my head, and I was like, I wonder how much these red iguana hands cost. So I went on the website, and it just so happened to be the day that they were restocking. So I hurried up and bought them, and I think they sold out within 3 hours. So yeah, I was on the site right when they dropped, and I hurried up and got my hand. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this. I just took out the packaging because I just want to throw away the packaging, but I've never opened this yet. And I really like how the box looks. It's like pretty foil, gold foil, and it's like marble. Really pretty. Open it like this, and once you open it, it says your perfect model is here. So you open it up, and wow, you see that? That is cute. And then up here it says, thank you for choosing your red iguana silicone practice hand. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. And here goes the website right here. And this is how to use it, the instructions on how to use the hand. And this is the coupon code. So you can use Hello5 to get 5% off. Okay, and so it comes with the jewelry. Right here. I got silver. The hand is not really that heavy, but we're just gonna unwrap this. Oh, it still comes in the same packaging. Okay, we're just gonna get rid of this. Put this right here. And so here goes the hand. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at the detail. This looks like an actual hand. Let me zoom in so you can see the detail. Okay, so you can see all the like lines. Like if I put my hand right here, we're like the same color. Wow, almost. Well, see, we're like the same color. See, here goes my fingers and here goes her fingers. I'm zooming. Look at the skin. And here goes the other side. Even the like joints look real. Oop, it's a... And I got the foldable. Oh, let me zoom out. I'm sorry. I got the foldable hand, so you can fold it. See, you can fold the hand. Oh wow, that looks broken. But yeah, they're really soft, like super soft. I didn't order the stand because I think I have a stand myself. I got the stand from Five Below, and I think that'll work with it, but it came with some jewelry. So I'm just gonna put this on. So I'm just gonna put this on her hand. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm just gonna put this on this finger. Oh, my bad. Okay. So yeah, and on these hands you can slide nails in here. So I just so happen to have a nail sitting right here, so it might be too big. Well, you can slide the nails in here like this. And I think with this hand I'm not going to glue the nails on here because I don't want to ruin the fingers. I think I'm just gonna like stick like a nail in here and just use it as a nail bed. So yeah, this is the hand. Very pretty. I got the color. Ooh, yeah, I forgot to tell you the color. I got the color Analuisa, I believe. I got the color Analuisa, and yeah, so. And here goes the fingers. I don't think I showed you the fingers. These are the fingers. It's like some. Okay, so yeah, this hand was the foldable version, so it was pretty pricey. I want to say it was like $181 with tax, and yeah, I think it was like $181 with tax. But luckily their website has Afterpay, so you don't really have to pay the whole thing at once, and you just pay every 2 weeks. So yeah, so if you don't have the money to get it all at the same time, then you can just pay every 2 weeks. So yeah, I think they're sold out right now. She might be restocking soon, but I really like this hand. It's really soft, it's really light, and it's going to be amazing working with this. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. It was very quick. I think I'm going to be posting some videos on this hand soon. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see me do. I'm most definitely going to be using this hand. I have another practice hand, but I'm going to be using this one more because it was pretty pricey. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you're thinking about getting one. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping